Let's talk about this really awesome UV color shifting vinyl. Today I want to show you how I made this Valentine's themed Starbucks cup with color shifting vinyl. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to make this cup, and then I'm going to give you all the details on where to get this vinyl.
So the first thing I did was go to Creative Fabrica and type in like Valentine's Hearts SVG or something. And I looked around to find a file that I like. There's so many to choose from. I will link this specific one down below. It had a lot of cute designs. I downloaded it. I unzipped it, and then I opened it in Silhouette Studio. So this decal I have available for free on my website, or you can follow my step-by-step instructions for how to make it all on your own. I will link that in the top right corner right now. So what I did was I took this decal and copied it over to a wrap template that's also on my website. I opened the heart SVGs and just copy pasted them and made a design that I liked all on this wrap template. I didn't end up using this wrap because I ended up cutting the hearts in different colors. So I ended up just kind of spacing it out so I had an idea of what I wanted it to look like. And then I just copy and pasted the hearts into a new Silhouette Studio document and cut out like 5 of each of them so I could place them individually. You could use the wrap if you wanted, but since I wanted to do different color vinyl, it just wasn't going to work. When it's time to actually cut your vinyl, I just want to point out that for both the permanent vinyl and the color shifting vinyl, I used my settings that I used for Oracle 651. I cut them on all of the same setting. If you are new to cutting vinyl or new to cutting color shifting vinyl, please remember to do your test cut so you don't waste any of your vinyl. So I started by placing the decal around the logo first. You can see that it looks very white when it is indoors. So make sure you use some good transfer tape. I will link my favorite in the description bar below. And if you need to, I did sort of have a little trouble getting it onto my transfer tape, and I think it's just because I need to play around with my cut settings, but use your squeegee tool to your advantage to get it onto that transfer tape. And when you're going to add it to your cup, I highly recommend that you use parchment paper. So what I did was I put parchment paper down because vinyl does not stick to parchment paper, but I let my transfer tape hang over a little bit so I can kind of hinge it to my cup, remove your parchment paper, and then place your vinyl. That way you know it will be lined up for sure, and you don't have to, remove it and try again. Use your squeegee tool and remove your transfer tape so you are ready to go. And then I randomly placed my hearts, but I did have my wrap that I showed you a minute ago up as a guide because I knew I liked how that one was spaced out. But you don't have to do the wrap at all. You can just totally and completely randomly place these as you see fit. I chose a few different colors, but remember this vinyl is permanent. So as long as you let the cup cure for a couple of days, you should be able to use it with no problems because it's permanent. So here's what it looks like when it is done. The logo part and those white hearts are the color shifting vinyl.
I got this from My Vinyl Circle, and I'm going to put a link to where you can get it down below. It is super cool. They have different colors. Once you bring them outside and the UV rays hit it, it's going to change different colors. So let me show you what this one looks like when we step outside. Okay, so they all look white until you get the UV light on them. You can do this obviously with the sunlight. I'm just going to use this little UV flashlight because I'm inside right now, and you can see that you get blue, which gets darker the longer you expose it. We've got a purple and a pink. They all start white, and they actually hold their color pretty well. So now here you can see the comparison. So this started changing color as soon as I got even near the door or a window. But you can see the longer that it is exposed, the more pink it gets. And it is really cool, and it will hold it to be pink for a few minutes once you return inside. If you're interested to see how I safely glitter my Starbucks cups, join me in the video up on your screen. And don't forget to click the link down below to get yourself some of this really awesome vinyl.